everyone, hope you're all well. It's Linda here in my little crochet nook. Today I want to show you some happy mail that I received from the lovely Veronica at Steals the Show Crochet and Chef. The link to Veronica's YouTube is below in the description box. And a couple of weeks ago now, must be about 3 weeks ago, I won her blingo, and I won some yarn and stitch markers. And she was going to Michael's, and she was telling everybody on about the deal that they had on with their Karen cakes, 3 for $20. So I asked her, messaged her, and I had a chat with her, and I said, could you get me some? I'll give you the money, and I'll pay towards the postage. So she was really good enough to do that for me. So I am super excited. So this is what I won from winning at the blingo. I won 2 of these. The Karen Simply Soft, and it's the green variegated, and it's 100% acrylic. It's a medium 4, excuse me, knitting needles 5mm or a US 8, and the hook is the same. And it's so soft, and it's got a pattern for a scarf on it as well. So I've got 2 of them, and I got 2 lots of stitch markers. So I'll take them out and I'll show you, which was really good of her. So I got them, really pretty, and I got these ones as well with the little pineapple. Aren't they pretty? Lovely. I've got a good selection of these stitch markers now. So that's them. So I asked her to get me the Karen cupcakes, and while she was in Michael's, she messaged me and she let me have a look at the colours, what I wanted. So she got me the cotton ripple cakes, and this colour is Clear View, and there's a lovely shawl on the label, and it's a light 3, US 6 4mm, and the same for the hook as well, and it's 100% cotton, and it's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So I got that colour, and I got that colour. I got 2 of those and 1 of those, and I'm going to do Ursula's ice blue poncho with this. So I think I'm going to do the squares in this colour, and then do this colour around, and there's 240 grams. So I've got 2, 4, 6, I've got 720 grams. So I've got 3 of them. So I'm absolutely delighted. And this colour is it's 100% cotton. What colour is this one? This colour is called Summer Rain, and this colour is called Clear View. So they look really, they'll go really nice together. She was really good, Veronica, for doing this for me, and I can't thank you enough. I've wanted these cupcakes as soon as I saw them, and she was really good. So I got 3 and only paid for 2 because it says that they're $9.99, nearly $10. So thank you, V, you've made my day. So that's all from me for today, and don't forget to come back later on tonight at 5 o'clock British Summer Times, which is 12 Eastern, for my monetization giveaway, monetization party. I've got lots of giveaways. Lots of my crafty friends have donated prizes, and for the super chat I've got the main prize, and I hope you like it. So that's it from me for today. I'll see you all again at 5 o'clock, 12 o'clock Eastern. Take care, everybody. Once again, thank you so much for your support. And don't forget the thumbs up, like and share with your friends. Until next time, bye-bye, everyone.